ClickUp just fired hundreds of employees. But here's the insane part. They replaced them with thousands of AI agents. This actually happened last week. ClickUp is a 9-year-old startup. They build productivity software for teams. They decided humans were too expensive, so they fired hundreds in one day. AI agents now do their work. Nobody saw this coming at this scale. Wait, it gets darker. This isn't just ClickUp's bold move. This is the blueprint for tech companies. They're all watching this experiment. If it works, mass layoffs go global. Your company is probably considering this right now. Here's what nobody is telling you. AI doesn't need sleep or salary. It scales infinitely without hiring costs. The future of work just arrived, and it looks nothing like we imagined. Entire departments vanish in one decision. This marks one of the most dramatic AI workforce replacements yet. Tech insiders are calling it controversial, but ClickUp isn't slowing down. They're doubling down on AI agents. The question isn't if this spreads. It's when it hits your industry. Subscribe if you want the truth. We cover AI news others